Fuck it, I'll cut your ain't it cousin, and she gon' run back and tell him that I cut his other cousin. Fuck him, I fuck him. These niggas is stuck him. He's a stick him. Never that lick him. Never that pick him up off the money, what's good? Pick him up off the bed, what's good? Pick me up off the block in the hood, cause I'm stunting on these motherfuckers bumping, what's good? Holla at me, you see me, I'm jumping, what's good? I'm up in a party with my motherfucking hood, and we doing our sets up. Yeah, I wish a nigga would come up with his set up. We gon' rush this nigga up, we gon' beat this nigga up, beat the beat up. You can grab the beat, cause I'm gonna fuck this beat up. Slow walking, creep up. No talking, speak up. Low wall and speed up. If I'm in the water in the boat, I'ma jet ski up. When you see me, I'ma just kick my feet up, cause I'm living good. Probably eating steak and shrimp, bruh. My name wrote on a blimp, bruh. My name wrote on her ass too. So when I hit it from the back, I can laugh, dude. Like this stupid ass ball, dude. Why the hell she get another dude? Another dude? And a motherfucker another dude. That's the whole crew, cause I back red DZ star.
Well, I'ma jump in. When my nigga left that, man, fuck that shit. Man, I'm back. We finna attack. Bring all y'all niggas, man, we killing the track. Like the Amtrak, I am that. Nigga go ham, yeah. Go ham, yeah. Bullets go bam, yeah. Bullets go slam, yeah. Bullets go motherfucking hurricane, yeah. Paralyze your ass for life. Stab you with a knife, dead in the light. In front of everybody on the block, it don't stop. These niggas already know about that nigga rock. Man, fuck that shit. I got my key on, no bling on. I just sing on to this damn song. It goes on and on. Froggy, where you going? You probably going home, but I'm just going on.